Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by powering down the Ps5 and unplugging everything. Do not wait. Once unplugged, wipe a clean surface and attach an ESD strap or ground yourself by touching metal. Remove the left outer cover by sliding it toward the rear. You'll feel it click free. Next, use a PH0 screwdriver to remove the small screw that secures the M2 bay shield, then lift the shield to expose the SSD slot. You've begun the repair phase, and we move on. You now inspect the drive physically. Look for burn marks, bent pins, or loose components because those indicate failure. If the drive is damaged, prepare a compatible M2 NVMe SSD. Choose a supported length and PCIe 4.0 for best performance. Insert the SSD at a 30-degree angle into the slot until it seats, then press it down flat and fasten the standoff screw. Once secured, replace the M2 shield and tighten its screw. This completes the hardware replacement. You reassemble the console by sliding the outer cover back on and reconnecting all cables. Power the Ps5 on. Once booted, go to Settings, Storage, and follow prompts to format and initialize the new or repaired drive. This prepares it for games. If the system fails to recognize the SSD, power down and reseat the module, confirm the screw is snug, update Ps5 system software, and try again. If problems persist, contact Sony support or your SSD vendor for warranty help. One troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.